The HIXX Smart Hummingbird Feeder combines a built-in camera with an intuitive birdwatching app so you can see and save close-up visits without needing to sit by the window all day. Its high-definition wide-angle camera, motion detection, and night vision make it easy to capture clear footage of hummingbirds in both bright daylight and low-light conditions. The feeder uses bright red feeding ports, a built-in ant moat, and bee-resistant design to keep nectar available for hummingbirds while discouraging insect intruders. A solar-powered setup, straightforward hanging hardware, and included cleaning brush keep the feeder running around the clock with very little ongoing maintenance. The transparent, leak-resistant reservoir holds a generous amount of nectar, and durable ultraviolet-resistant materials help the feeder stand up well to long-term outdoor use. Thoughtful privacy controls in the companion app focus the camera on the feeder area and let you decide how your bird videos and data are stored or shared.